Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to link a CSS file to an HTML page in VS Code. For that, first we have to create a CSS file to add our styles. So let's do that. So open the folder and here click on new file, and here I will create a new CSS file called style.css. Now let's add a color to this h1 tag. So I'll write h1 color blue. I'll save this. But on the right hand side in the browser you can see the color is still black. For this to work, we have to link this style.css file to this index.html file. So how we can do this? It's very simple. So between this header tag you can use a link tag which will take two attributes. So one is href, so where you can define the path of css file. So I'll define style.css, and one more attribute is relationship or rel tag, so which where you should define the relationship of that particular file you are attaching to it html file. So now I am attaching a style sheet, so I'll give it a style sheet and I'll close the tag. I'll save it. So immediately on the right hand side you can see the color changed to blue. So hope this has been helpful to you. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel.